If you're buying a home or just bought one, plumbing is one of those things you can't ignore. So here are 8 essential checks for new homeowners. Tip 1, always know how to shut off the water to your house. If you're touring a property, ask where it is. If the seller cannot point it out, that's a red flag. It might not be there. Once you own the home, test it. Tag it with something bright so you don't waste any time in an emergency. If a pipe bursts, those few seconds matter. Your future self will thank you. Tip 2, turn on multiple faucets at once. Kitchen, bathroom, outdoor spigots. If the flow sputters or drops drastically, you could be looking at pressure issues or hidden leaks. Be sure to get your water pressure checked. Anything over 80 psi is too high, and it can silently damage pipes and appliances. That's when you want a pressure reducing valve, also known in the industry as a PRV. Tip 3, hire a plumber to run a camera through all sewer lines. Side note to that, if you want to save some money, at least do a hydrostatic test to make sure that you don't have any leaks under your home. Tree roots, collapsed sewer lines, or years of buildup can cost over $10,000 and won't show up in a normal home inspection. Spending a few $100s here can save you big time. Tip 4, give each toilet a gentle rock. If it moves, the wax ring seal is likely failing, or the toilet flange could be broken underneath. That's a cheap fix now, but it can rot out your floor and turn into a multi-$1,000 repair. Tip 5, your water heater has a TMP, temperature and pressure valve. It's basically a safety release. Find out the age of your water heater and whether or not the TMP has been tested. Pull it carefully and water should gush out. If nothing comes out, that valve is frozen and should be replaced immediately. A failed water heater under pressure can destroy an entire home. Tip number 6, look behind sinks, toilets, and washing machines. If you see old rubber supply hoses, plan to replace them. They dry out, crack, and fail big. Swap them for stainless steel braided hoses. This is a 10-minute upgrade that can prevent a 3 a.m. flood. Tip 7, hire a plumber to make sure there's no leaks on the domestic water side. To do this at home, you would need a pressure gauge attached to your washer box. Make sure there are no fixtures running, go outside, turn off the water, and see if the pressure gauge drops. If it does drop, you have a leak on your domestic water side. Any leak on the outside of the wall could mean hidden water or mold issues. Tip 8, right when you move in, take photos. Take photos of every shutoff valve, connection, and appliance. Store them in a phone album. If something does leak, you're not wasting time remembering where things are. This is one of those small steps that can save huge stress during an emergency. If you find something bigger than a do-it-yourself fix, Reliant Plumbing is just a call away. And don't forget to like and subscribe and stay leak-free.